In today's video, we're diving into the Workout Planner Muscle Booster app, one of the best tools for Android users who want to build muscle efficiently. Let's get started. Workout Planner Muscle Booster is a top-rated Android application designed to help users achieve their fitness goals, particularly in muscle building. It offers a user-friendly interface, allowing users to create customized workout plans tailored to their fitness levels and preferences. The app includes a variety of exercises with detailed descriptions and videos, ensuring proper technique and maximizing effectiveness. Key features include tracking progress, setting goals, and providing workout reminders. It also incorporates nutrition tips and meal plans to support muscle growth and overall fitness. The community aspect allows users to connect, share experiences, and motivate each other. Overall, Workout Planner Muscle Booster is a comprehensive tool for anyone looking to enhance their strength training regimen and achieve better results. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the Workout Planner Muscle Booster app has inspired you to elevate your training routine, and we'll see you in the next video.